Python file closed when opened. How to fix it? Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First of all, we create our Python file. Print hello world. Save this. Script. Right, if we want, open this file. Find it. Our file is closed. How to fix it? First, edit our file. Print input. We fix it. Or we can click right button on your mouse. More. Edit with IDLE. Edit with IDLE. And click on run. Okay. That is all I want to tell you. Have a nice day.